Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to record this video for two reasons. One, undecorating for fall means that next week I get to decorate for Christmas, which is the best thing ever. The second reason I'm really excited to post this video, I'm sure can you see it around me? I'm sure you're like, Catherine, is that a Himalayan salt lamp? That's so cool. Oh my God, you're right. It is a Himalayan salt lamp. And yes, it is very cool. So I'm partnering on this video. This video is sponsored by and brought to you by Levoit, who makes beautiful Himalayan salt lamps, as you can see. I decided to put it on this video because it's my first video of like the holidays, and this would make an incredible Christmas gift. Levoit reached out and asked me if they could send me one to show you guys, and they're not paying me to say anything specific, so that's really what I think about it. I love it so much. It brings this homey glow to any space, which I think is gonna be great for the holidays. And they are giving you, my wonderful viewers, a discount code. Fancy. I asked them to provide one and they were kind enough to do so. So in the description box are the links for their website, as well as their special link for my channel. So if you guys want this for yourself or want to give it as a Christmas gift, seems like a pretty good idea to me. So I'm gonna show you some features right now. I knew that there were Himalayan salt lamps, but I didn't know that it would be so like rustic and cool. It's very rugged looking. I'll get to the camera so you can see the texture. Look at that thing. That's crazy. It's like sparkly, and it comes with a real wood base that I think would go well with pretty much anything. It comes in 3 sizes. This is the medium one. There's one that's like this big, and there's one that's like crazy for you like crazy Himalayan salt chunk lovers, right? It has a really, really easy light switch. You just tap it to turn it on, tap it to turn it off, and hold down, and it dims to exactly what you want. So it can be super bright and glowy, or it can be super dim, so you could use it as like mood lighting, or like at a dinner table, or you could even use it as a night light for your kid, which I think would be, I don't have kids, but I would if I did. Anyways, here's a cleaning video.
Had trouble sleeping, so I stay up late at night in a room lit by the TV light. All I want is to get some shut-eye, but my thoughts are keeping me awake. I don't know what it is, but it's been like since we kissed. I don't know what to do, 'cause I long for you every single night. It's been like this ever since we kissed. Keep my mind occupied so that I can focus on anything but you. 'Cause all I want is to get some shut-eye, but the thought of you is keeping me awake. I don't know what it is, but it's been like this ever since we kissed. I don't know what to do, 'cause I long for you every single night. I don't know what it is,
By the way, since I'm upstairs, if you're curious, like, where is she just throwing all this stuff while she's taking it down? I'm cheating because I have an elevator in my house. So as I'm undecorating, see, I just took that stuff off that table that you just saw. I just put it all in the elevator and then call it downstairs and just make one big trip downstairs instead of having to like fill up baskets and run up and down the stairs all day. So that's nice, but my house is a flipped floor plan, which means the kitchen is on the top level and the bedrooms are on the bottom level, which also means that there's like a lot of things that you always have to take upstairs with groceries and guests coming over. And so that is the real reason for the elevator, but I use it to be lazy. Yeah.
Time goes by, I change my mind about you and I. So would you stay for a minute so I can be brave? Let me catch my breath. Now I can feel what I'm saying. I'm letting you know this heart's on the edge. You make me be so much better. Promise to love you forever. That's why I wanna spend my life with you.
Everything for me, stay the night, oh, miss your flight. Walk through the rain with me, get soaked to the skin, feel free. Shut the world out, let's hang out. Oh, I used to see in colors, now it's gray. Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit up with warm, sunny rays. the stars.